How will you know the velocity is doubled? The manipulated variable is the force. We changed the force by blowing half as hard for one of them. The time and the mass stayed this constant. We kept them constant by not changing them at all.
Two 2f and times 1t equals 1 delta m times 2 delta v. 2 delta v equals 2 times 2, and that equals 4. By doubling the force and keeping the the time and mass the same, we should get double velocity. If you ride a bike and double the force, you should go 2 times faster.
Double velocity by changing mass. You change the mass by cutting one of the marshmallows in half. The velocity and tube stay constant. We keep them constant by not changing them. A real life situation. A car is going at the same force with heavier passengers will go slower than a car with light. So 2f times 2 delta t equals 2 delta m times 2 delta v. 2 times m equals 2 times 4 equals 8. If the mass was doubled with the original mass being 4, the new mass would be 8.
Double velocity by changing time. The manipulated variable is the time. We changed it by doubling the time. The things we kept constant were the force and mass. We kept these constant by not changing them at all. 1f times 2 delta t equals 1 delta m times 2 delta v. 2 times delta v equals 2 times 2, which equals 4. By doubling the time and keeping the force and mass the same, we got double the velocity. A real life situation would be if you are riding a bike and double the time, and you double the time you are riding the bike, you will get double the velocity.